guys, ang ganda ng weather today. Ayan, medyo sunny. Sunny talaga siya. And very nice kasi naiinitan yung plants ko. And we will take down the Christmas tree na soon. Punta yung friend ko dito kasi magluluto kami ng Filipino food. Kasi nga diba nung last Saturday, hindi natuloy yung plano namin na magkita kami for magse-celebrate kami ng aming New Year. Kaso nga, nagkasakit siya, sumakit yung likod niya. So, sabi ko, postpone na lang namin. Ngayon kami mag-continue sa aming paluto-luto. Naglalagas na naman ako ng hair. And ayoko yung floor namin na naman, magkaroon na naman ng ng mga hair ko. So, magbibihis lang ako guys kasi itong damit ko, to siya, hindi sa akin, kay Devin to. Kay Devin pa rin to. So guys, anyways, itong wall namin, i-prepare na namin to for baby's corner kasi nga diba, sabi ko, we only have one room. And this is gonna be the baby's corner. At doon ang corner namin. So, meron na kaming mga lalagay dito, like paint. Pero, ang paint, pinag-iisipan pa talaga namin kung magpe-paint kami. Kasi pag mag-move out kami, kailangan namin siyang i-paint ulit ng white. So, we're still thinking hard. We're still thinking about it, kung worth it ba siya or not. Yeah, depende lang sa sa mood namin ni Devin soon. Kung kakayanin ba ng powers namin. Hoy, Sanjian, dyan ka na naman. Hi, guys! May bisita naman ako. Ayan muna, lagi naman lang.
Oo, hayaan mo yan, Day. Okay lang yan.
Ano naman yan lang ka?
Ha? Yan. Okay ba yung tapat ko? Okay ba yung sizes? Or mali?
Okay.
Okay lang.
Food trip na naman kami, guys.
Yeah.
Ito yung friend ko na yayamanin.
Ayamanin talaga.
Anong rice today?
Pandan rice yan. So, lekker pa din siya.
Ano ba rin to? Yung 1:1?
Ano? Ay, hindi ko alam. Alam mo ba kung paano ako ginaganon ko? Alam mo ba yun?
Hindi ako. Marunong akong ganun, pero...
Saan mo pala ito gagamitin?
Saan?
Ito?
Sa binagoongan.
Sa binagoongan? Okay. Sanji, ba't ka na naman nakatingin? Gusto mo ba tumulong?
Took some time to think about what you said. It wasn't right. Intentions we both misread, but pride aside, my actions I won't defend. No. And every time I see you, gotta hold myself down. I'm not used to the feeling, but it's pulling me now. Been losing my
Food is ready! Meron kaming binagoongan, guys. And then, tuyo, lagang baboy, rice is life. So, ayun lang. Kain lang kami, dalawa. Mukbangers!
Mukbangers! Kaya mo nung ako sarap.
Kaya mo pa, medyo wala.
Nakayanan ba eh. Medyo na-excite ako for tomorrow.
Putinday. Ano kayang mabibili natin bukas doon kung pa...
Sana may ampalaya. Ay, namiss ko na talaga ang palaya. Nakain ka ba ng okra na eh?
Yes.
every time I tell you that I'm coming to town. We link up every time, no, I'm not leaving without your views in my mind. Gotta figure it out. No use trying to lie, actions screaming out.
Good morning, everybody. Hello. Hello, guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. One day na lang. Weekend na. Good morning sa inyong lahat, everybody. Good morning. How's your sleep? Ay, good evening na pala. Kasi evening ko pala to ina-upload. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kain ako ngayon ng aking breakfast. And meron akong leftover na ampalaya kasi kahapon na punta yung friend ko dito and nagluto kami ng munggo and ampalaya. Kainin ko yung leftover at baka masira na kasi may kamatis. Nilagyan ko kasi ng kamatis yung munggo. So guys, ayun pala, I'm 26 weeks pregnant yesterday. Nung Tuesday. Kaso hindi ata ako nag-vlog nung Tuesday kung maalala ko. 26 pregnant na tayo. 3 months na lang. 3 buwan na lang guys. Manganganak na ako. Shit. Kinakabahan ako. Alam natin. May tea ako. May ampalaya. Meron akong suka na may sili. Meron akong tuyo. And meron din akong munggo. And kontian ko lang yung rice ko guys. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Yung ampalaya masarap pagkakaluto ng friend ko. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog yesterday nung naglutuan kami. Dahil tawag nito, nagluto ako ng munggo. Sarap talaga ng pagkakaluto ng ampalaya niya. Nanonood ako ng Rafi Tulfo. Guys, gumawa ako ng panibagong batch ng macarons. Ayan, ube. Nag-try ako ng flavor na ube. And ito with cheese. Kaya pala malamig kasi bukas pala tong aming window. Oh, wait lang. Ayan. Hello everybody! Hello guys! Good afternoon! Afternoon na, no? Wala pa din akong ligo. Mamaya na akong maligo. Kasi maglilinis muna ako ng aming bathroom. And tawag nito, naglinis ako konti ng aming guys. Naghugas lang ako ng mga ginamit ko kahapon kasi nagawa ako ng nagawa na naman ako ng macaroni. In fairness, masarap siya. Konti lang kasi kasi si Dagan, gusto niya ito pang snack niya or pang dessert niya after namin kumain. So, since mabilis lang gawin, gumawa na ako last night. Pang pang himagas ko rin pagkatapos kong kumain. Maglalabas na rin ako ng aming guys, ng aming pang-ulam. Ang papaulam ko, katayin ang kamay ko. Ang ipapaulam ko mamaya kay Davan is sayote na may giniling kasi gusto ko rin kumain ng sayote. Tapos ipapatry ko din sa kanya. And meron akong lumpia na ginawa ko last December 24. So, yun na lang din. In case hindi magustuhan ni Devin Boy yung ating pasayote. Wala na namang tulog a catch. Hindi naman ako nakatulog kagabi. Kakainis na naman. Alam niyo kung bakit? Pag naihi ako, matagal na naman ako naka-go back to sleep. Ano ba yan? Tawag nito? Nahihirapan akong mag-Tagalog. Oh my gosh. Yung ceiling namin guys, hindi na matapos-tapos. Ayan, binilhan na namin yan ng super tape, double-sided tape. Hindi pa rin siya hindi pa rin siya dumidikit. Nasira na naman siya kagabi. Ano ba yan? So anyways, papaayos na rin natin yan kay Devin. At nawala pa yung niya, yung circle dyan. Emote yarn. Shower, babe. Shower. Shower, babe. Babe? Careful. Guys, tapos na ako maglinis sa aming bathroom. Ngayon is magluluto ako ng aming dinner. Prepare na ako bago dumating si Devin yan. Madalian lang tong ano ko guys, ulam. At maya is darating na yun si Devin. Before na, napagod ako linis. Hindi naman masyadong madumi. Yung yung floor lang. Kasi, yung mga conditioner, ganun. Hindi na maayos na di-drain. You okay? Sanji boy, okay?
What are you making?
Vegetable with ground pork.
Oh,
And then I'm gonna make lumpia in case you won't like it. Okay? This
and I
is
was getting in the car. I was thinking, did I buy us like a nice pizza for in the oven? But okay, vegetables is also nice.
yeah. And guys, malapit na siyang maluto. And magluluto ako ng lumpia for Devin in case hindi niya magustuhan. Go to Daddy na! Daddy's at the door. Go to Daddy. Let's go. Come on. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy's the guy. I made him crazy.
Why do you need a fork? You never want a fork. And now this is something you can eat with a spoon. And you want a fork?
Our bathroom is so dirty lang.
Why? Where?
Just like the slime thing.
Did you clean it?
But I use like a gentle cleaner.
It's nice and salty.
Oh, if I'm gonna have a leak in my boobs, I'm gonna let Devin drink it.
And if you're worried that you cannot produce enough milk, I can help you like try to get it out. Like a milk. Like a cow, I mean.
Put it in the cereals.
Mom is full of good ideas now, Sanji.
Let's have some dessert, guys. Ito yung pangmalakasang dessert dito kasi ang dami naming ice cream.
Laughing while pregnant is so difficult.
You're always peeing your panty and
your whole body shake.
Deserve ko to kasi I didn't drink coffee this morning.
and you clean the kitchen.
And
I
the
don't know where,
bathroom.
but
Oh, look at that one, oh. I watched all of that.
Yan guys, nanonood sila Devin ng ng bagong, hindi siya bago actually, very old siya na Japanese series. Siya, Alice in Borderline. Para siyang guys, para siyang Squid Game. Pero ito mas better to. Panoorin nyo. Hindi ko lang siya mapanood kasi ang brutal ng niya, ang brutal ng kanyang game. So basically siya, it's like a game, like you have to survive game. Hindi ko siya gusto, kaya nanood na lang ako ng ibang vlog. So Tatanggalin na namin yan bukas. Yes. At nag-quick shopping pala kami kanina sa city, guys. Di na kayo nakasama. Dahil super quick kasi may hinabo kami ng time na magsara sila. Bili kami ng floor cushion. Ayan. Dalawa yung nabili namin. Kulay pink and kulay gray. Para sa aming game night. So, abangan nyo yung vlog ko para sa aming game night. The same persons ang mga nandito that time. So, maybe even more. Even more?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So, hindi ako magluluto that time kasi mag-aano lang daw kami, sabi ni Manok. Mag-order lang kami ng pizza. Uminom ako ng tea. Tea lang. Tea lang malakas.
Did you wear your slippers on the mat?
I didn't. I always put it in here.
What you gonna do, my love? We're gonna bed na. Okay. So, guys, matutulog na pala kami kasi 11 na. No, I thought it's still early.
It's like 11 already now.
Okay. So, ayan, guys. Matutulog na pala kami. Akala ko sobrang early pa. So, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button to get updated on my daily vlogs. Thank you for watching, everyone. Good night.